Hello students, today we study second lesson of history, Europe and India. During the modern period, the various happenings in Europe had its impact on India. Therefore, while studying the period of modern Indian history, we have to study the events happening in Europe during this period. Period of Renaissance. Period of Renaissance. In history of Europe, the last phase of medieval period, that is 13th to 16th century, is known as the period of Renaissance. The period between 13th to 16th century is known as period of Renaissance. Renaissance means rebirth or revival. Renaissance means rebirth or revival. Revival of Greek and Roman tradition in the field of art, architecture, philosophy, etc. New ideas, new values were put on forth. The revival of art literature under the influence of classical model, that is Renaissance. Okay, the period between 13th to 16th century called period of Renaissance. During this period, Reformation, religious reform movement and geographical discoveries laid the foundation of the modern era. Hence, this period is also known as Age of Renaissance. Okay. In that period, reformation of religious reform movement and geographical discoveries place or set up or put down the foundation of modern era. So, it is called Age of Renaissance. During this period, in the field of art, architecture, philosophy, etc., there was a revival of Greek and Roman tradition, which gave momentum to an overall development. During the Renaissance, humanitarianism was given great impetus. There was a change in the outlook of treating each other as a human being. Instead of religion, man became center point of all ideologies. Ideologies means a system of ideas and ideals. And humanitarianism means humanism. Okay, humanitarianism means humanism. And the impetus means motivation. Okay, impetus means motivation. During this period, the Reformation, religious reform movement and geographical discoveries were instrumental in the founding of modern era. Okay, the reform of movement spread throughout all sectors of human life. Through knowledge, science, as well as different sections of art, we can observe the discoveries of reform movement. In this, the knowledge in this there is a movement spread throughout all sectors of human life via knowledge, science, as well as different sections of art. We can observe that discovery of reform movement. The art and literature of Renaissance period depict sentiments and emotions of human being. Depict means show or represent by a drawing and painting. They shows their sentiments, emotion by drawing or painting. Literature was produced in local language for better understanding to the common people. The literature was produced in local language. Why? Because the common people understand it very well. During 1450 AD, Johannes Gutenberg from Germany discovered the printing press. Due to his discovery, new ideas, concepts and knowledge reached to all sections of society. Because of Johannes Gutenberg from Germany, they discovered printing press. Because of printing press, discovery of new ideas, concept, knowledge, etc. will be reached to all section of society. There was a revival of the Greek and Roman tradition It is the advantage of Renaissance. The changes were seen in the fields of art, architecture, philosophy in the Europe. Humanitarianism got impetus. Impetus means motivation. There is the humanism got motivation in Renaissance, that period. Humanism was the value put forth by Renaissance. Okay, and the man became the center of all ideologies instead of regions. Instead of religion. The reform movement spread to all sectors of human life. The reform movement spread to all sectors of human life. The sentiments and emotions of human being found expression in the art and literature. Okay, and the literature was produced in local language for the understanding of people. Okay, and in invention of printing press, Johannes Gutenberg of Germany invented the printing press, and because of this invention paved the way for new ideas, concept, knowledge to reach all sections of society. Now we see religious reform movement. What is the religious reform movement? The independent intellectual attacked the old religious ideologies of Roman Catholic Church. The Christian priests were taking advantage of ignorance of the people and were indulged. Indulged means allow oneself to enjoy the pleasure. Okay. Indulge in unnecessary rituals. Rituals means relating to or done to religion rite. They looted the people in the name of religion. The movement that began against it is known as religious reform movement. Okay. Due to this movement, human freedom and rationalism gained more importance. Rationalism means buddhimatta. Okay. In religious reform movement, the intellectual attacked the priests for looting the people in the name of religion. They attacked the old religious ideologies of Roman Catholic Church. The Christian priests took advantage of ignorance of people. They took advantage of ignorance of people. Who? The Christian priests. The movement which started against that old religious ideologies. The movement, listen carefully, the movement which started against that old religious ideologies and unnecessary rituals is known as religious reform movement. Due to this movement, what happened? The human got freedom and rationalism. Okay, and there is a importance for human freedom and rationalism. Okay, next we saw here geographical discoveries. In 1453 AD, the Ottoman Turks conquered the Constantinople, Istanbul, that is Istanbul, which was the capital of Byzantine Empire. The overland trade routes joining Asia and Europe went through this city. In 1953 AD, the Ottoman Turks conquered the Constantinople, Istanbul, that is Istanbul, which was the capital of Byzantine Empire. The overland trade routes joining Asia and Europe went through this city. That route went through that city. Since the Turks blocked this route, what they do? They blocked this route. There was a need of finding alternative trade routes for the European country to reach Asia. They blocked the route. That's why they have to find out the alternative routes. Need to finding alternative routes to reach the Asia. This led to new phase of geographical discoveries. Okay. Here we complete geographical discoveries. In geographical discovery, what happened there? Ottoman Turks conquered in 1453 AD. The overland trade The overland trade routes going to Asia and Europe passed through it. As the Turks blocked this route, it became necessary for the Europeans to find the new routes to reach Asia. Okay, that is the geographical discovery.